Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to set and operate Casio F-91W and F-91WB. And because both are using the same module 593, then the steps are the same. Okay, first we have three buttons right here, the light button on the top left, and then the mode button on the bottom left, and this one is the alarm on off or the start stop button on the right side. Okay, to change the mode, you can press the mode button like this. So this one is the alarm mode, and then stopwatch, and then the adjust mode, and back to the timekeeping mode. Okay, now if you want to change the time format, just press this one, the right button. So this one is the AM, PM or 12-hour format, and this one is the 24-hour format. Okay, next, if you want to activate the backlight, easy, just press this one, the light button on the top left, but the light is not strong enough like this, okay? Anyway, if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, next, if you want to do the LCD check, easy, just press three buttons at the same time. So you might want to hold the watch in this position and then use your thumb and index fingers like this, okay? And it will show all the segments on the display. Okay, now to exit from this LCD check, you can press the light button or this one, the alarm on off button, okay? And then next we will do the Casio check, and to do that, press this one, the alarm on off button, and hold, so it will show Casio. Okay, now let's set the time, and to do that, we are in the timekeeping mode. Press the mode button, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now you can see that the second is flashing or blinking. And you can set the second by pressing this one, the alarm on off or the start stop button. And if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute. But if it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute. So let's wait until 30. I will show you what happens. 7, 8, 9. So if 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute. But if 29 or less, no additional minute. Okay, now press the light button to move to the next item. And that is this one, the hour. You can use the alarm on off button to increase the number. So something like this. So let me set back to 8 p.m. Okay. And then next, the light button. And now we can set the minute. And same thing, you can use the alarm on off to increase the number. So let's say, yeah, 8:30 or something. Okay. And then again light button, and now we can set the month. So yes, use this button, the alarm on off, to increase the number. Let me set back to September. Okay, press again the light button, and now is the date. Same thing, use the alarm on off button on the right side to increase the number. Okay, and now press again the light button, and we are moving to the setting of the day of the week. So for this one, same thing, use the alarm on off button to increase the day or move forward. Okay, and then press again the light button, and we're back to the setting of the second. And if you're done with the settings, you can press the mode button to exit from this adjust mode and back to the timekeeping mode. Okay, now let's move on to the next mode, and that is the alarm. Okay, for this one, let's say I want to set a wake up alarm at 5:30 in the morning. So to do that, first press the light button on the top left. So now the hour is flashing or blinking. And then press this one, the alarm on off button on the right side, to change the number or increase the number, 5, okay? And then press again the light button, and now is the minute. So let's say 5:30. Okay, you can press and hold, and or press to increase one by one, okay? And then press again the light button, and done for the setting of the hour and minute for the alarm. And then after this, you can also set which feature is active. So this one is the alarm, and then if you press the alarm on off button, now is the signal or hourly signal or hourly chime, meaning that you will get a beeping sound every changing of the hour. But for this one, the alarm is off, okay? Press again, now both are on, meaning you get the alarm and also you get the hourly signal. And press once more, and then both are off. So let me just set both on like this, okay? And then you can also use the alarm sound check, And to do that, press and hold this alarm on off button on the alarm mode. So like this. And it will give beeping sound. But it will change which feature is active. So you might want to press the alarm on off button 3 more times. 1, 2, 3 to return to the previous setting. Okay, and now let's move on to the next mode, and that is the stopwatch. Okay, this one. You can use the stopwatch for basic operation, start, like this. So use the alarm on off button to start and stop. And then stop or pause. You can continue again using this one. And then you can stop or pause again using the start stop button or the alarm on off button. And then reset using the light button. Okay, next we can also use the stopwatch for lap or split time. And to do that, press the start stop button or the alarm on off button on the right side. Okay, and then use the light button to get the split time like this. Okay, and now the time is still running in the background because this one is still blinking, meaning that the time is still running in the background. And if you press the light button again, it will jump to the time that currently is still running in the background. So yes, 19, 20 and so on. So if you want to get the split time again, easy, just press again the light button and the time is still running in the background. So maybe now 27, 28 and so on. Oh, okay, already 31 and so on. Yes, and if you want to stop, you can use this one, the alarm on off button on the right side, and reset using the light button. And yes, press the mode button, and now we are back to the timekeeping mode. And yes, that's all for the setting and operation of this watch, Casio F-91W or F-91WB. Anyway, if you have any question or something to add about the setting and operation of this watch, just put in the comment below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.